Okay, here's the MIG welder cart I've been telling you about that I was working on. I just built this cart here and made that out 1.5 inch angle. And over here I got a Hobart Handler 140, which is a great welder, by the way. I've never had any problems out of it. I did 940 pipe legs for some table legs to go in a big fixture table. And it's been doing great. I never had to do anything to it. It's just been working great. And down here I got a CT520DX plasma cutter MIG, or I mean not MIG, but a TIG and a stick welder, and that does a great job too. The only bad thing about it is the plasma cutter part that hooks up to it isn't really that great of quality. I mean, it's just a Chinese setup. I just needed a plasma cutter cut out flat stock and stuff like that, and wasn't really looking for a welder or anything, but I ordered a plasma cutter for this job I was working on, and ended up getting a stick and a TIG welder too. I even brought that with me and did some stick welding jobs. It does great. And here's another project I've been working on too, for a water cooling project for the Hobart Thermodyne TIGway 350 TIG welder here. I'm going to change over this design. This is just temporary setup. Matter of fact, I just bought this welder, and I wasn't sure what was all wrong with it, and I found out that the AC side is having some problems with it, but I can still weld aluminum pretty good with it. And the main problem with it is that I get a lot of problems with arc wander on it when I'm running on AC. And come to think of it, here is this is the piece of bar stock I'm going to use. This is 6061 aluminum here. I'm going to use that on the Atlas mill to make the pulley. I got some layout lines on it. I don't know if you guys can see it because of the focus. Yeah, probably not. Probably won't be able to see it. But yeah, it runs great. I mean, for a $350 welder or whatever, anybody needs a TIG welder and all they're interested in doing is steel or just very moderate work with aluminum, this is a great welder to do that too. I've had a Hobart GW 222 welder and another one, and they're great welders. I've never had any problem out of them. I know Hobart got bought out by Miller, but they're still good welders. So if anybody's looking for a good cheap TIG welder or anything like that, these are the way to go. Well, that's it for now. Stay tuned, and I'll bring more news to you from any more progress I get.